Okay, let's go on to the US pre-market movers and levels.
Okay, well the first one is actually something that caught my eye yesterday, but I thought it was worth mentioning. Level 3 Communications, LVLT is the ticker. Closed yesterday at $45.12, up 4.32%. Just wondering if it might have a little bit more to go this afternoon. The reason for the move is that the voice and network communications services provider was named the top telecoms pick at Citigroup. So quite a positive recommendation for the stock there. And then moving to the world of pharmaceuticals, Lannett & Co, that's ticker LCI in the US, $59.25, up 19.75%. This is quite an interesting one because they're sharply better because they've announced the purchase of a rival company called Cremers Urban Pharma, which is a generic drug manufacturing company. What I think the market's got behind here is that Lannett have said that this deal will be earnings enhancing almost straight away, high single-digit figures for next year, and in 2017 they look for the deal to add 20 to 25% gain to their EPS as a result. So,
and the market loves pharma stocks at the moment. Anyway,
they love pharma stocks, and they love a growth story with tangible figures like that to hang their hat on. In terms of equities, a little bit better in Europe this morning, though nothing to get too excited about. But we are able to change our ranges slightly. So for FTSE, 60, 86,080 if you prefer, plays 6,200, the downside and upside levels. For the DAX, 10,145, plays 10,273, so slightly tighter than yesterday. In US equity indices, again there were modest gains, but 1940 plays 1965 now in the S&P, and for the Dow 16,300 plays 16,460. We can't tighten that Dow range any further, unfortunately, because of the nature of the candles that we've seen of late. Currencies, not too much change as far as euro dollar is concerned, so we stay with 112.18 on the downside, plays 112.58 to the upside, just tightening the range slightly there. Aussie dollar, US dollar, we did test below 70 yesterday, so we've nominated 69.80 as a downside level, just below yesterday's low of 69.90, and then to the upside would need to see a move back above 70.30 if we had to stage any sort of sensible rally. Dollar yen, as we said yesterday, seems to have settled around 120, so 119.90 on the downside for now, plays 120.66 to the upside. Thankfully, cable seems to have
stabilised.
Yes, so 152.33 we'd say on the downside for the moment, plays 152.95 to the upside.